So in the previous videos, we've seen how to work with arrow functions and what they are. We've also seen how to use them with ternary operators. But if you remember in the first video with arrow functions, I showed you how to work with just single line arrow functions, right? The small short form single line arrow functions. What would you do if there was a multi-line function and you wanted to convert it into a multi-line arrow function? How would you work with that? So this video is all about that. I've opened up my JS fill window, and let's start by creating a regular JavaScript function which is called sum. It will take two arguments, a and b, and there will be something called as like a variable called result, and it will have a plus b. It will just add the two values together, and we're going to just simply return the value of result. Now let's try and output this and see what happens. So I'm going to call sum inside alert. I'm going to pass 1 and 2, which will basically be a and b. It should give us the value 3, which it does. So this is working perfectly fine. Now, what if I wanted to convert this function into a multi-line arrow function? Right, so that's what you want to see. So let's get started. So let sum is equal to a comma b. So you remember from the first video that you don't have to write function when working with an arrow function. Right, so and then you put the arrow operator here, and then you put the braces here, these braces. So you'll use the braces as well out here because this is multi-line, and you'll see say let result is equal to a plus b, and then you'll say return result. And now let's try and comment this out to see what the result is. So you get the result 3, which is basically what we were getting out here. So this works perfectly fine. So that means this is the right syntax for working with multi-line arrow functions. And I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. If you're liking these videos, do subscribe and do watch the other videos in this series. And see you in the next episode. Thank you.